it's going to ask you for settings from Mailgun. So we're going to log into Mailgun. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Happy Me Games website as the go-to forum here. So I've got a few other forums running. If I go to Happy Me Games, just to show you, it's just a games website I've got. If you know me from my other videos, or you're watching on YouTube, you can see I'm Happy Me Business. So I've got Happy Me Games. I'm going to put a forum on this, so it's going to be forum.happymegames.com. But if you want to make it, just the main forum to your website, you don't have to have a subdomain. But for me, I'm going to, in this example, use forum.happymegames.com. Okay. So the first thing I need to do is set up a domain to allow emails from that domain, right? So I'm going to go to domains. I'm going to add new domain, and it says here domain name. We recommend like mg.mydomain.com. What that does is it doesn't interfere with, if I'm already sending happymegames.com emails out from the primary domain name, it won't mess about with the emails if you make it mg.mydomain.com or something like that, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it mg.happymegames.com. So then it won't interfere with anything that's already set up. It's now going to say you need to add this information to your DNS settings for that domain, right? So it gives you all your settings, and you're going to add this information, and that will verify that you're allowed to send from that Mailgun is allowed to send from your domain. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into GoDaddy. I'm going to go find my domain. So wherever your hosting is, click on, find your domain and go to DNS settings. However you're going to get there, manage your DNS. So whatever hosting you're currently using, you're looking to get to the DNS settings, right? So what I'm now looking for is I've got to add all this information. So here, I've got to add a text field that's mg.happymegames.com and then this. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to add a text. And the host is mg. There's the text. I'm going to change the custom to 600 or whatever little as you can be. And save. So that's the first one. The next one's a bit longer, but again, now this one's mg.domainkey.mg. So what you'll find is you don't need the last part, you need the front part as the host. So you're going to go text, copy in that mx.domainkey.mg. Happy Me Games is already set as that domain. Then paste in the text and save. Now we're going to do the MX record. So we're going to do an MX record that is for MG and a priority 10. So you want to do add MX record. This is the mail MG and paste that first one. Priority of 10. I make it change. The minimum you can do with GoDaddy is 600 seconds, which is 10 minutes. Second one is add mx, host is mg, points to this one, priority 10, custom to 600, just picks it up faster. And then the final, you're going to have to add a CNAME that is email.mg and then mailgun.org, right? So this one's a CNAME, the host is email.mg and then mailgun.org. I believe this so you can log in later. I never use it though. Customize that to 600 and then save. Save. And that's set up. That's Mailgun happy. It might take 5 or 10 minutes for it to verify. You don't need to do any of this, but check DNS records. Here you're going to click check DNS. Some of them may take straight away. Oh yeah, they did. So the CNAME's not quite taken yet. But once that CNAME's happy, you are in and ready to set up DigitalOcean. And this is the information that we needed. We needed the SMTP host name. We needed a default login. the API. No, we needed this password, right? So next we're going to go into DigitalOcean and set up that part. Just before I show you how to set up DigitalOcean, I'm going to mention that I am a partner and I do get a bit of credit if you sign up with my partner link. So if you go to DigitalOcean, go to pnuk.co DigitalOcean. That is my partner link, and it gives me a bit of credit. I don't get any cash, but they will give me some credit for your sign up, which helps me continue my free training and forums. So pnuk.co/DigitalOcean.